Hey there, it's Katie with WTI. No, this is not my new hairdo. This is a wig by Afro Girls. I got it to complete this ugly sweater ensemble for a party that I went to recently because go big or go home, people, and this will help you to go big. So many people at the party thought I'd really gotten my hair cut like this. No, but that's how real it looks. It fits really well and it is adjustable, so I can fit it to my daughter's smaller head if she wants to try out what it's like to be a brunette, or my husband could even put this on his head. I'm really impressed with the quality of this, how real it actually looks. I can't believe how many people thought that I went for the mushroom cut, and it was fun just to change up my persona for a night. I just went full on 80s mom from Wisconsin. Now don't put that in your mouth. Go and buy this wig, and that's my point of view.